In this example, we will see how to record a mobile screen, right? So basically, why we want that? The reason behind that is, like, whenever we execute our Appium script on mobile, every time we don't need to see and how our test has been executed, right? So for that, what we can do here is we can start recording our test, right? So, and what is the reason behind that? So basically, sometimes what happen is, like, when you execute your script, right? So basically, when you do a testing of your app, that in between your script execution, suppose some alert message has been occurred, right? And you have not handled that particular error message or alert message in your script, so script may fail, right? And in your script execution results, you don't get any specific results why your script has been failed, right? So for that, what you need to do is you need to again start executing it, and you need to see why your script has been failed, right? So better you can save your time by recording your script, and if everything goes perfectly, then you can delete the video, right? So let's see. So this is my Galaxy Note 3 device, which I have connected and done a screen mirroring using a side sync app. You can watch my other videos where uh, I have described the steps how to configure the side sync and do a mirroring of your mobile. Right? Fine. So now what you need here is you need to download a Monty jar. Right? This is a third-party jar which you need to download it. Right? So Monty Media Library to Selenium. Right? So you need to download this actually. Go to this website. Right, this is a website where you can find out the Monty jar. You can download from this link, and here you will get all the details how to configure it and how to use this particular class, right? So there is a one class called screen recorder which we are going to use it. You just need to copy paste this particular class, right? So this is a class which we need to download it, right? So you just download it and copy paste this class, which I have already done it. So how to do that? So let me expand this, and here what you need to do is download the jar file. After download, what you need to do here is right click on your project, go to properties, write Java build path, and go for add external jar, right? Once wherever your jar has been located, give that location, right? So this is the name of that jar, Monty screen recorder jar. Fine, click OK after that, right? So configuration of the libraries are done. Now you need to create, I have already created a class called Chrome browser test.java, right? You just need to click on source, and I have created under Chrome, so this is a Chrome, and just you need to do right click and you need to create it. Sorry, I have not created under that. I have created under here, right? Chrome browser test. Fine. So let me try to explain you what all things we have used it. So here these are the basic capabilities. You can go through my other videos to know what are all these capabilities and why we need to use it and what we need to use it, right? So these are the capabilities, common capabilities which we need to use it. And apart from that, I have added a class called screen recorder, which is copied from this location. This is a class which I have created it and copy pasted it, right? So you just copy paste full class and paste in the Eclipse, right? So this is a class. Let me open it. Right, the same thing I have copy pasted it, right? So apart from this, we need to create two methods called start recording and stop recording. Fine. So these details also you will get it from this location, right? Start recording and stop recording, these two things you need to copy paste it. Fine, I have copy pasted it. After copy paste, you just need to edit the screen dimensions which we needed, right? So I have already given this height, width and height. So what it will do is it will only capture the specific screen, right? We don't need full screen, right? So we need a specific screen, or I can say specific to this particular location, right? So I'm going to only capture these things, or else if you're using a side sync app, you can directly go for maximizing it and you can capture the full screen, so it will capture full screen. Right now I'm going to show you how to capture only this part of screen, right? So you need to find it out what is the resolution for this particular screen, right? So I have already detected it and I have provided 364 and height should be 648, right? So okay, fine. And where my videos are going to be stored is this location, right? Current folder under slash videos, right? Go to this location. This is the location where my videos is going to be stored. Let me refresh it, right? So there are no videos as such, right? Okay, let me try to execute the script. Let me start the Appium server. Let's be with me. Okay, Appium server has been started, right? So let me start the script, right? Okay, click OK, and right here the script should start executing it. See here, now it's got started. Let's wait for the completion of the test. Browser has been kept open. It should navigate to seleniumqa.org, right? Now it should navigate to projects, about, and then support, then docs, then downloads, right? Okay, now I have quit the driver, right? So let me see the results. See here, test has been run, failure 0, skipped 0, right? That's great. So now if you refresh this, right, see here, you will get the new video with the proper timestamp. All these details have been already mentioned in the screen recorder, right? So you don't need to do anything for that. What you need to do here is, now let's see how your test has been recorded. org projects, right, support, docs, right? So I have started the recording. If you see here, start recording and stop recording, let me try to explain you this particular steps, right? So what I have done is, before browser opening, I have started the recording, and after the download button has been clicked, I have stopped recording. Please remember, both the steps are very important, right? If you don't stop the recording, then your video will not be going to be created, right? So please take care of both the options, right? Or both the methods, you need to mention it. Okay, let me try to rerun one more time to show you how exactly it is working, right? So here right now there is only one video. Let me refresh it one more time. See here right now only one video, right now if you see the time, 12:33 a.m., right? Let me rerun the test. Done. See here, test runs 1 and 0 passed, right? Oh, 0 failed and 0 skipped, right? Let me refresh it and see there is new video has been created at 12:34, right? And this is 35, right? So this is the video which has been created, right? So this is a way you can capture your test, and you can see what went right and what went wrong. If anything goes wrong, you can see in video, and you don't need to rerun and reproduce that particular defect which you're going to show to the developers, right? So I think this is the best way to capture the screen and capture the complete test.